In the previous video, we had one number and then take away another number. Okay, so for example, I could say 7 take away 10. So the number line would look like this: 0, 7, and then take away 10. Well, let's go back to 0 first, and then we need to take another 3 steps. So it'd be 3. Okay, sorry, minus 3. Well, if we have one number, take away another number. So for example, I could have, say, 4 here, take away. I'm allowed to put any number into here. I'm entitled to put any number into here. Well, I'm allowed to put -5 in here because -5 is a number in itself. So we don't have to always put positive number in here. Normally, I would ask you to do something like 4 take away 5. Well, here I'm asking you to do take away -5. So I'm allowed to put any number into the second bubble. Well, we're allowed to do that. So what would this look like? Okay, let's draw a diagram. 0 here. You start at 4 here. Okay. Well, if I take away, I would go to the left. Okay. If I minus, but the thing is, here you minus a minus number here. See, minus and a minus. So you minus a minus. So what you have to do is see this arrow here. If you minus, you would go to the left. But then if you minus a minus, you've got to flip it so it goes to the other way. So this is your starting point. You've got to flip it so it looks like this. Okay, so you can forget about this. So you really have to flip it. So it looks as if it's plus 5. So 4 take away, well, 4 minus 5 is the same as 4 plus 5, which is 9. Okay, which is 9. So let's do another one. Let's say one number take away another number. Take away another number. I'm allowed to put any number in here. Let's say I'm going to put 3 in here. I'm allowed to put any number into here. If I put a positive one, a positive number, it would be easy. But I'm going to put negative. Let's say 5. So what is this? Well, let's draw a number line. 0 here. You start at 3. Now, if it's negative, we normally go to the left, because it's negative. It's minus a minus. So we've got to flip this arrow. We've got to flip it this way. So it will look like this. Hang on. It will look like this. It will look like this. So it's add 5. So minus a minus, you've got to flip it. So add 5. Where would that take us? 3. If I were to start at 3, go forward 5, it would be at 8. Okay. So let's see. Let's give you this one here. Any number, and then any number here. So this is our starting position. Start. This would be our direction. Okay. I'm going to have let's say minus here, and this would be our steps. Okay. So let's say I'm going to start at -2, and then I'm going to minus -3. Okay, let's see what's going on. It looks really weird, but let's have a look. So draw a number line. 0 here. Where do we start? We start at -2. Okay, -2. Now this is our direction. Normally we would go to the left. Normally we would go this way. But because it's a minus here, we've got to flip it. We've got to go to the right 3 steps. So in effect, what we've got here is -2 plus 3. So it's like that. It's similar to that. So -2 here. Okay, we've got to minus 3. So we've got to go 3 to the right. Okay, I would go 2 first, just to go back to 0, and then I would take another 1 step. which would take me to 1. Okay, so this equals 1. Okay, so minus 2 minus 3 equals 1. I know it's weird, but let's do another one. Let's do another one. So remember, this is our starting position. This is our direction, and this is our steps. So I'm allowed to put any number into here. Let's say I'm allowed to put let's say minus 7 into here, and then I'm allowed to put any number in here. I'm allowed to put a positive or negative. Let's say minus 3. So what is minus 7 minus 3? I know it sounds weird, but let's draw the picture. So 0, where do we start? Remember, this is our starting position. We start at minus 7. So this is our starting position. Minus, we normally go to the go in this direction, but because it's a minus, we normally go to the right. So so I've got to go to the right 3 times. Three steps. So plus 3. Where would that take me? So I'm just going to guess. Minus 7, you have to somehow guess. I'm going to minus 4. If you really get stuck, then split this up and then count it. But I'm quite good at working this out. So I'm just going to guess it. But if you can't do it, just do it. Break it up and work it out. Somehow find a way to get to minus 4. So if someone gives me something like this, minus 8, and then minus let's say another number, let's say minus 2. What I normally do is well, what is this? Minus and minus. Well, minus we've got to go. Hang on, let's stick in our starting position. This is our starting position. Minus 8. Minus, I normally go in this direction. Because it's a minus, I've got to go to the right. What I normally do is I imagine putting my fingers into here, and then plugging this out. Take it out and put it out here. So it becomes so it was here, and then you take it out here and then stick it onto here. So it's really like a plus a 2. Okay, so it's really minus 8 plus 2. So if someone gives you something like this, hang on, a bubble here. Let's say minus 10, and then minus another bubble, minus 5. Well, what is this? Well, I normally pretend to put my hand into this bubble here and take the minus out and put it here. So it's the same as adding 5. Okay, I know all this makes sense, but all this seems complicated. But we're going to do some more practice, and then it will all make sense. So next few videos we're going to practice.